Let me get some of your act right now. This is live.
This is live. Come
This
on,
is live.
man. I'm on,
Let me get some of your act right now.
Oh, I didn't like that was live.
Let me just say that.
Let me say it like this. First of all, I'd like to say to all you people out here that have kids and do not take care of them, you're a lazy bastard. That's just straight up. But if you're a person like me that got a woman in your life that chooses every day to make sure you locked up, make sure you can't eat, and make sure you can't provide for your kids, I commend you, brother. I commend you. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep yourself right. Like me, myself, I should be having a haircut right now. But if my baby mom seen me with a haircut, she'll feel some type of way. She'll have her lawyer on the phone right now, like, I seen that nigga, he had a sharp ass cut. I'm not having that shit. I'm just not having it. So I look, when you see me, see a black man that work hard and don't give a fuck how he look at any moment in time. But if you give me that contract, America, give me that contract. I will be on your dinner plate. I'll be that nigga sitting there sweeping up all your shit. Just give me that opportunity and I'll show you. I'll show you.